Okay, the last part now of the topic for number bases. We want to look at how we can convert between two bases, none of which is base 10. So for example, if we had a number that was in base 3 and we wanted to take it to base 2, how do we do it? Well, there's no direct way of taking a number in base 3 and converting it to base 2. If you have a number in base 3 and you want to convert it to base 2, you have to take it to base 10 first, and then you take your number in base 10 and then convert that to base 2. So let's have a simple example where we have 2, 2, 1, base 3, and we want to convert it to base 2. A bit scuffy there, right? So what do? The first thing we do, we change our number to base 10. And we know that we put 3's, and then give the 3's some powers. And then this will result in 2 times 3 to the power 2 plus 2 times 3 to the power 1 plus 1 times 3 to the power 0. So this will give you 2 times 9 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 1. So this will give you 18 plus 6 plus 1. So this is going to give you 25. So that's our number in base 10. Now all I have to do is take our 25 and then convert that 25 into base 2. So divide 2 into 25 and record remainders. 2 into 25, that's 12 remainder 1. 2 into 12, that's 6 remainder 0. 2 into 6, that's 3 remainder 0. 2 into 3, that's 1 remainder 1. 2 into 1, that's 0 remainder 1. Then what do? I read this number in the remainder column from bottom going upwards. So this will give us 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. So that's my answer. I've converted my number, which was in base 3, to base 2. So you can try the questions on this particular section.